Look, mate, you get the best from the best. Have a look at that beauty, would you? I mean the best from the inside out. Check the horsepower that comes in it. A good feeling from the trigger is a must for a clean shot.
You don't want to miss any details. You only get one shot.
But you can't ignore your surroundings either.
You also have to hear me, Colm.
Look at that. Look how thin it is.
It's not just a powerful beauty, it's also fast and stable. Share your game and become a superstar. Player.
Hot choice.